Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. It's Tuesday, October 21st, and that last hour selling again, we thought maybe we gotten rid of it, but there's still some of these guys that leave themselves in a position where they need to sell at the last hour to get themselves out, to get themselves in cash, to deleverage whatever it is that they need to do. They wait for the last hour and then they just, take everything right back down. So I decided that I think that anybody who leaves themselves in that position should lose their broker's license and should never ever again be allowed to ever touch a buy ticket or a sell ticket in this business ever again. That would be my solution to it. Or the other thing is that maybe we can call up the exchange one day and tell them to close an hour earlier without telling anybody about it. Maybe that that might teach these guys a lesson, not to wait for the last hour. Anyway, it was a little disappointing, but it did not change the main look of any of the indexes. Matter of fact, it's gotten my indicator back into the oversold position again, so we're due for another rally, hopefully tomorrow. And judging from the action in the after hours, it's looking pretty promising, as Apple had some good earnings, or the street likes their earnings. Anyway, the indexes are up in after hours, and I would suspect it's going to carry through until tomorrow. So I think in the final segment, we'll take a look at all the indexes. The Dow's putting in a really good bullish looking pattern. As each day goes by, the charts are getting more and more bullish looking. The indexes, not so much for individual stocks. It's still very difficult to find some stocks that I want to put my name on it. But I do have one, and it's Phoenix. We've been in it before. PNX is the symbol. And so in just a moment, I'll show you this chart, and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. And then we'll take a look at all the indexes. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of PNX. You might remember this stock. Okay, this is a call on the long side, and we're looking to buy this stock tomorrow between 665 where it closed, and on any little pullback. Let me zoom in a little bit for you here. Hopefully we get a little pullback in the mornings, anywhere from 665 down to like 625. Anywhere down in this area would be a great spot to get long this. If it runs, let it go and then wait for the pullback. My target, the old high, $12.20 or $12, somewhere up in this area here. These targets are not the exact number. It's a benchmark, so to speak. This whole formation is the resistance area, and I expect it to get back up there. From the looks of from the way it looks right now, it looks like it wants to try its old high again. Stop order, sell stop, a close below that low right there, which is $4.97. So we're risking like $1.50 to make almost $5 or $6 on this trade. Okay, what do I see? All right, I see rally, which is substantial. It breaks this whole downtrend. A pullback to support. The top of this day right here is being support. And an ascending triangle being formed. This is very similar to the chart of Dynegy that we bought yesterday. These are the charts that are showing up that I think have potential to rally. So that's the big breakout, the pullback, the ascending triangle. So it looks like it's getting ready to go again, and Let me get this out of here. And there's our triangle right there. Or we can look at it from this point of view here also. And we actually kind of broke out of it today a little bit. See it? So at any pullback, this is what we want to buy it. If it runs up, let it pull back again, then we'll then buy it on the pullback. So let me recap this. This is Phoenix, PNX. This is a call on the long side, and depending on where we buy this, we make ourselves about $5.50 on this trade. Okay, let's go take a look at Dynegy, the stock we bought this morning. I bought this $3.45. It closed at $3.44. You can see it has a similar look at the stock that I just recommended, Phoenix. It has that breakout, that pullback, and then that descending triangle look starting to form here. So we'll put that into our portfolio, and hopefully within maybe a week or two, we might be ringing the register in that. All right, let's go take a look at all the major indexes. Even though that late hour sell-off was disappointing, the look is still there in all these charts. Okay, this is becoming very symmetrical. This has got a bullish look to it. Okay, because it has these rising bottoms. There's another trend line you can draw in there. So that's the bullish look. I just don't know when it's going to break out above that. Like I've been saying for a couple of days, it could go back and forth for a few more days. We could have a little more of these late hour disappointments. As long as these lows don't get violated, especially this one here, this pattern is taking on a bullish look. Transportation average, same look. And we've got a little ascending triangle being formed right here. See it? So this whole look, finally, this is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for some sort of pattern that has a bullish look to it, and it's starting to form. It's taking its time, but it's starting to form. Russell 2000, pretty much the same look, you know. The lows are, each low is higher than the last low. And we've got this ascending triangle look. Is it ready to go? You know, it could back and fill for more, 3-4 more days, or it could go at any time. I just don't know. It's impossible to tell. S&P 500, same look. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So the look is bullish. When it's going to break out, I don't know. This could go on for days before it goes. QQQQs pull back a hair more than I would like to have seen it, but it's trading up and around here after hours because of the reaction to Apple's news. We still have our double bottom that I'm hanging my hat on, and this has also not lost its look with that late hour sell-off. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'm expecting a rally. We'll see if we get it. So until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.